Hello YouTube. Today I'm out here with the Subaru Forester, back on the same trails as always, but we got some snow, so I wanted to have a little fun with it. Some of the trails seem to have already had some traffic on them, but I'm going to try to find some where there is still a good amount of snow. This is just going to be a short video, just having some fun. Just got my phone, got my drone, and that's about it. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so sadly my drone had a little crash. The drone is fine, but I did lose a propeller, so I didn't come prepared with any extra propellers. It's the first time that's happened to me, but so I'm ending this video a little earlier than I wanted to. So I will try to get back out here again before the snow melts, but if not, I hope you enjoyed the little video I was able to put out for you guys this week. Thanks, bye.